2016 Hyundai Sonata Limited with ultimate and technology packages, premium alloy wheels, rear trunk spoiler, plenty of storage room in the trunk with a cargo net, tinted windows, rear windows, screen shades, woodgrain trim throughout, panoramic sunroof, power locks, windows, mirrors, memory driver's seat, premium infinity sound system with subwoofer, heated and cooled front seats, navigation, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, smart cruise, blind spot monitor, auto headlights, just over 137,000 miles. HomeLink garage door opener with Hyundai Blue Link. Come on, see us, there you cars.